In today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger message requests not showing. Hi guys, so first thing you wanna do is go to the settings and open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger. As you can see, I just found it. Click on it and click on force stop, and then go to the notifications management, disable all the notifications and enable them back again like this. Go back and then click on storage, click on clear data and delete, exactly like that. And then go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and disable it, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger and update it. Now the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to remove Messenger from your phone and re-download it. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and educational videos.